course. In this video, we are going to see the HTML headings. So now coming to the HTML headings are defined with the H1 to H6 tags. Okay, so H1 defines the most important heading, H6 defines the least important heading. So here are some examples we add. Just we will implement these examples in the sublime text. Just open sublime text. Yeah, here we have the 6 headings: heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, heading 6. Okay, just type this heading 1 tag. Okay, so you will get like this. Okay, here you can write heading 1, like I'll show the variations. Santosh. Okay, so here the size will be decreasing from heading 1 will be showing the bigger one. Okay, let us see. 1 second, I will save this file. Yes, I saved, and you can see here. See, it's decreasing. The first one, heading 1, is an having higher one, then heading 2 lower, then the size is decreasing, and coming to the edge, heading 6 is least size. Okay, so you can also write some more examples. H2. Okay, all small letters only. H2, like Krishna. Okay, H2 tag. Okay, just refresh this page. See, you can see here. So H2 tag. So your H2 tag is like size is decreased from H1 to H2, right? So these are the headings in the HTML. Thank you everyone. You will see more information in the next videos.